If you think you need expensive software, paid spy tools, or some secret master list to find a winning dropshipping product in 2026, you're wrong. You already have the tools. They're on your phone. Today, I'm starting a 20-minute timer, and I'm going to show you exactly how to find, validate, and verify a high-potential e-commerce product using only free public data. No subscriptions needed. This is the fastest, lowest-cost way to get to your first sale. Hit the like button if you're ready to make money, and let's get the clock started. Your first 4 minutes are spent on the most powerful product discovery tool, TikTok. This is where demand is created. We're not scrolling the For You page. We're searching for specific high-intent keywords. Type this into the search bar. TikTok made me buy it, or Amazon must-haves, or useful gadgets. Filter by this month or last 7 days. We want new trends, not saturated old ones. Scroll fast. Look for a product video that has over 1 million views and, crucially, a high comment-to-view ratio. High comments mean high engagement and people tagging friends. That's viral potential. Okay, we've found our product. Let's use a self-stirring mug for this example. The engagement is huge. Now, we jump to validation. Does this viral product have long-term demand, or is it a one-week flash in the pan? Google Trends is your free crystal ball. We search for our product, self-stirring mug. I set the time frame to past 12 months and the region to my target market, for example, United States. We are looking for consistent or growing interest. We want to avoid sharp, single-peak spikes. That's a fad. Look for a line that is steady or gently climbing. If the interest score is consistently above 40, that's your validation signal. Google Trends confirms real sustained consumer search interest. It passes the demand test. Time to check the numbers and the source. We need 2 things, a reliable supplier and a fat profit margin. Search for your product on AliExpress. Filter by 4 stars and up and number of orders. A high number of orders, over 1,000, and good reviews means the supplier is reliable and the product is proven to sell. Our product costs $10. With ePacket or a similar fast shipping line, let's say $5. Total cost is $15. Now, what can we sell it for? A quick check on Amazon shows the same mug selling for $39.99. Selling at $34.99 gives us enough to start. That is excellent. We have a profit winner. This is the secret sauce. We use Amazon customer reviews to find our marketing angle and discover how to beat the competition. Find a similar product on Amazon. We are specifically looking at the 3-star and 4-star reviews. People who left a 3-star review usually love the product but have one specific complaint. This complaint is your opportunity. Love this mug, but the battery runs out after 2 uses. This is how you differentiate. You don't just sell the product, you sell the improved version or the solution to the main customer pain point. Last 2 minutes. Let's see how the big guys are advertising this product for free. Go to the Meta Ad Library and search for your product name. This tool is free and shows you every single ad currently running. Look for the ads that have been running the longest, 3 weeks or more. A long-running ad means the product is profitable. Steal their marketing angle, not their product. See what video format they use, what headlines they use, and how they tell the story. Timer stopped. In 20 minutes, we went from 0 to a fully validated product with high demand, a great profit margin, a reliable supplier, and a ready-to-use marketing angle based on competitor weaknesses. That is the 2026 Free Product Research Blueprint. Now you have a winner. The next step is launching the store. I created a separate video on how to build your high-converting Shopify store in 1 hour. If you found this quick guide valuable, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more free, actionable e-commerce strategies. Drop a comment below with the winning product you're going to test first.